Imagine if you could remember everything you studied, effortlessly. No more cramming, no more forgetting key concepts right before an exam. Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how Anki, one of the most powerful learning tools in the world, actually works, and why so many top students and professionals swear by it. Memory retention is crucial for success, and Anki makes it achievable. Anki is based on two scientifically proven learning techniques: spaced repetition and active recall. These methods are designed to optimize the way we learn and retain information. Spaced repetition means that instead of reviewing information randomly, Anki schedules your flashcards at the optimal time, just before you're about to forget them. This timing leverages the psychological spacing effect, which helps to reinforce memory. By spacing out the intervals between reviews, your brain is challenged to recall information, solidifying it in your long-term memory. Active recall forces your brain to retrieve the answer instead of passively reading it. This ensures you are not just recognizing information, but truly understanding and remembering it. This process strengthens neural connections. The more you practice active recall, the more robust these connections become, making it easier to retrieve information in the future. By combining these two techniques, Anki helps you remember information longer while spending less time studying, making your study sessions more productive and effective. So how does Anki actually do this? Let's break it down step by step. First, you create or download digital flashcards. These can be customized with text, images, and even audio to suit your learning needs. Each card has a question on one side and the answer on the other. This simple format helps in active recall, which is crucial for effective learning. When you review a card, you try to recall the answer before flipping it. This process strengthens your memory by forcing you to retrieve information. After you reveal the answer, Anki asks you to rate how easy or difficult the card was to remember. This feedback is essential for the next steps. If it was easy, Anki will show you that card again in several days or weeks. The interval increases as you continue to remember it easily. If it was difficult, you'll see it again much sooner, maybe even the same day. This ensures that you get more practice with the challenging material. Over time, this method spaces out your review sessions so you see difficult cards more frequently and easy ones less often, optimizing your memory retention. This spaced repetition technique is what makes Anki so powerful for long-term learning. By consistently using Anki, you can ensure that you never forget what you learn, making it an invaluable tool for students and professionals alike. The reason Anki works better than traditional studying is that it prevents the biggest enemy of learning: forgetting. Anki uses spaced repetition, scientifically proven to enhance memory retention. Studies show that without review, we forget 50% of what we learn within a day. This phenomenon, known as the forgetting curve, can be a major obstacle in mastering new information. But with Anki's intelligent scheduling, you can remember 90% or more, even months later. Anki's algorithm determines the optimal time to review each piece of information, ensuring it stays fresh in your mind. That's why medical students, language learners, and even chess masters use Anki to master complex information quickly and efficiently. If you've ever struggled with remembering information, Anki might just be the game changer you need. It's not just about studying harder, it's about studying smarter. And the best part? The more you use it, the less you need to study over time. So, if you want to supercharge your learning, give Anki a try. Your future self will thank you. Start today and see the difference it makes. Join the Anki community and share your success stories. Remember, the journey to better learning starts with a single step. If you want more apps for studying, check out our next video for the up-to-date app.